All right, today's going to be stuffed mushrooms. I know I did a couple of other videos with stuffed mushrooms. This will be a little bit different variation. I have some leftover stuff because I made calzones yesterday, so I got sausages here. So I'm going to throw them in the food processor. And then I busted out all the stems from the mushrooms. So I'll whiz this around, and then I'm going to add some cheese. All right, so here is the mushrooms and sausages. Chopped up pretty nicely. And then I got some, it's just Deli Swiss cheese. I usually buy it in a chunk, but they just had this pre-cut. So I'm going to just whiz around a couple of pieces of Swiss cheese and then cream cheese to make it pasty so I can pack the mushrooms. So let's see how this goes. All right, there's the Swiss cheese. It's going to be a lot of stuffing. And then some, and I'm probably going to have to warm this up a little bit because I just took this out of the fridge and it's really cold. All right, I don't know how much that is, but it's a pretty good slab. I get a little more. It should be enough to make it pasty so that this stuff kind of stays together when I put it into the mushrooms. All right, and then I got some Parmesan. Pretty good handful of that. And then hopefully this, oh yeah, the cream cheese melted really good. So let me turn this into a paste. All right, so this time I remembered to shave the bottom of the mushroom so they sit flat. See, the last couple of stuffed mushroom videos I did, I forgot to shave the bottom and they were wobbling all over. All right, so here we go. Let's just pack these. All right, talk about getting lucky. That's the last 3 batches of stuffed mushrooms I did. I ended up with the exact amount of stuffing. Usually you end up with too much stuffing or not enough stuffing, but here they are, stuffed way overstuffed. And now into the toaster oven on convection setting. Probably 10 minutes, probably 10, maybe 12 minutes will do it. All right, these are done. There, maybe that'll be the thumbnail. I don't know. I'm not too good at thumbnails, but they look really good. I'm burning my hand. So here we go. And that is way hot. Really good. I like my anchovy stuffed mushrooms better, but this one with the sausage and cheese, multiple cheeses, is really good. But I'll tell you what, this is more of an appetizer and you can get away with serving 1 or 2 of these. I've never actually made this exact stuffed mushroom before, but this is one of the richest by far stuffed mushrooms I have ever made. If you were serving, like pork chops or something, I don't know, whatever, 2 of these would be way plenty enough for an appetizer. This is like seriously rich, but man, is it good. It really is.